Welcome to another video of Elite Expertise. I am Rilly, Admin Manager of Elite Expertise. Elite Expertise is an online teaching platform where we teach PVC, Indian Pharmacist Written Exam, Indian Pharmacist Oral Exam, CAPS, and PT. Recently, we have started OPERA as well. So, our directors and lecturers are Mrs. Hariga and Harif Mohammed. They both are working as a clinical pharmacist in Australia. Last July batch for CAPS, we have 95% of passing rate. And one of our students is with us, that is Sushant Jain. He cleared CAPS in July batch. Congratulations, Sushant. How are you feeling?
Thank you, ma'am. Well, I'm feeling great, ma'am, because before that, it was a very tense moment for us all. So after getting results and getting it a positive result is, very happy.
So can you tell me about yourself, your background? Where did you study? Where did you finish your graduation?
Yeah, I'm from Delhi, India, and I have done my B Pharmacy from Baduga, PDM College, and it was completed in 2019. So after that, I was confused between what career to pursue. Like we don't have much options here after B Pharm. Like we can go into marketing, or we can do masters, or just a pharmacy internship here. So I did 2 years in marketing as well as a Emma, and then I opened my own shop. I have my pharmacy shop, retail shop here. So yeah, for the last 3 years, I've been practicing here in India.
So why did you choose CAPS pathway?
After starting our own retail shop, you come after several challenges. Like here in India, it's a pursuit that you have to give discounts and all. And after so much discounts and heavy shifts, there's not much thing left here. And I came to know about CAPS through a colleague. And my also a junior was in Australia itself, and he was doing a master's in pharmacy there. So he also told me about the CAPS, and I was very keen to move to Australia because I have been hearing that there's a lot of vacancies and opportunities. So yeah, from there I joined actually Elite Expertise in November 2023. So, yeah.
How many months did you spend in CAPS preparation?
Well, in Elite Expertise, I was for at least 7 months, but I started my preparation only 1 month, just before the exam. And because I have my own shop, so it's very busy and hectic schedule. As well as recently I got liver infection, jaundice. So there I didn't. That's why I didn't go for the previous exam batch. So only one month, I guess, it was enough due to all the materials and all the lectures were already there. So you just have to focus and give hours for the study, and that's.
What strategies did you apply for CAPS preparation? What are the strategies?
I just followed. So I have heard previous interviews and all. Yeah, I've heard all of the all of things, good things about them. So they always tell in the lecture also, just listen to us, and you will be good enough.
Yeah.
So yeah, I just trusted them blindly. I did their mocks, whatever they said. So it was a fruitful thing for me.
So for CAPS exam, we have so many concept-based questions. So how did Elite Expertise help to tackle all those things?
What I liked the most was the strategy they followed. Like they used to use live examples, used to use names of the people, the name of the student. Ma'am used to use her name of the student self to make us a real based concept. So that was easy. And secondly, the stories, the experiences ma'am used to share, sir used to share their daily experiences. That was also a help. Yeah. So it made us easy, and the mnemonics, they used to share mnemonics as well. So it made us pretty easy to learn the classifications as well.
So the concept they used to make us understand where the stories and also it's like we are watching a movie or a film or something like that. So we don't forget it.
Yeah, it was very It was very easy to understand. If it had been there in the syllabus of Indian education as well, the students might have scored a lot higher.
Absolutely.
I'm very, very, very pleased with the Elite Expertise.
So, how strongly do you recommend Elite Expertise for CAPS aspirants?
I already have before clearing actually.
Mm.
I have, last batch, my senior colleague passed out from Elite Expertise, and I recommended her this course.
Finally, any special messages for you, for your side, for all those pharmacists who are aspiring for CAPS? Like any special message for them?
First of all, if they see the video, they should blindly choose Elite Expertise, and whatever sir and ma'am tells, just follow that. Don't worry about the complications. Don't worry about the hardness of the paper. Test 1, test 2, it doesn't matter. You are already well prepared because of the mocks and the lectures they have been giving. So, in my experience, 1 month, 2 month preparation, 3 month preparation doesn't matter. If your concepts are clear, you have watched all the videos twice, thrice, and mocks are clear, and MCQs, the different questions, and before the paper also there was 8 hour lectures that ma'am and sir took explaining all the important questions. That was easy. That made us feel very confident for the paper. So I would recommend Elite Expertise every time.
So thank you, Sushant, for the interview, and all the best for your future. Let you find an internship. Let everything happen very fast, and all the best.
Hoping for the internship very soon. Thank you so much, ma'am. Have a good day.